Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add sound effect in CapCut PC. What you need to do when you are in your project. Okay, I have here the video. Just I add the video to the timeline, and after that, to add sound effect, just click audio, and then here you see this is here music. But if you scroll down, you see here sound effect. Just click on it, and then here for sound effects you can select. You have trending, ASMR, swooshes, variety show, vlog, comedy. Okay, for example, if I select comedy, then you have different sound effect. Okay, for example, if this one funny, just I click on it and you can listen to it, and if you like it, then just click the plus icon. Yeah, you see it, it's already here. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add sound effect in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.